Hello, I am Deekshan. Now I am going to explain my cloud computing case study project, OCR text detection in images. OCR is optical character recognition. This technology is used to detect text from images. The objectives of the case study is to provide users the functionality to detect and extract text from any image. It can also detect text in a handwritten fonts. The main objective of the case study is to develop a web application using cloud services such as Azure Virtual Machine, GCP App Engine, and GCP Storage and Google Cloud Vision API. Coming to the architecture of the application, the end user can upload an image to the front end. The front end part is done using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. And Fetch API is used to send the image as a post request to the server. The server part is done using a Node.js program, and Express Multer Vision API and Image Animator client are the modules and functions used in the server program. And in the server program, I used Google Vision API to send request and get the detected text from the image. Mm, the cloud features used in the case study are Azure Virtual Machine for creating Ubuntu instance, and Nginx is installed for hosting the web application, and Google Cloud App Engine for running the Node.js backend of the web application, and Google Cloud Storage is used for storing the server program and knowledge dependencies used in the App Engine, and Google Cloud Vision API is used for detecting text in the images. Now, mapping all the cloud modules with the architecture, the front end part of the code is running in Nginx server, which is installed in Ubuntu instance of Azure Virtual Machine, and the server part is running in GCP App Engine, which is a platform as a service model, which is similar to Elastic Beanstalk in AWS, and Google Cloud Storage is used for storing the code, which is running in the App Engine, and Google Cloud Service is used to detect the text from the images. Now I will demonstrate my application. This is the Azure portal where you can monitor and manage your virtual machine instances, and this is the public DNS of the web application. This is the web application. It's a simple single page application where a user can upload any image and simply click the start button to get the results. Uh, the user can also copy and also download the results. And as mentioned earlier, this can also detect handwritten fonts. Like in this case, you get the out. Now, this is the Google Cloud storage platform where the backend part of the code and all its dependencies are stored by the App Engine. And this is the Google Cloud Vision API where you need to enable this API and create a service account to access this Vision API, which is used in the Node.js program. This is the Google Cloud App Engine console where you can monitor the App Engine instance. This is where the backend part of the program is running. This is the endpoint where you need to give the post request. Explaining my code part, this is the HTML page. These are the two main parts of the HTML page. One is the image region and the text region. In the image region, I am getting the image as the HTML form data, and I use text region to display the results. On the event on submit, the form data is sent to the backend using the fetch API, and as soon as the event is triggered, first part is prevent default, which prevents the auto refresh of the window. The fetch API is used to send the post request along with the image data to the backend. As soon as the since it's an asynchronous program, as soon as you get the result, I am converting that to response.text and passing it to data, where I am changing the uh, text id value to the data, which shows us the output in the HTML text area. Now I will show you the app engine instance where the backend part of the program is running. This is the endpoint uh, where the backend server is running, and this is where we are sending the post request. And detect image is the route where I am listening, where I am handling the post request. Now let me explain the backend part of the program. Now I used Express to handle the HTTP post request, and Multer to get the image file, and Vision API to detect text in images, text and in images, and I'm using image annotated client module to use the text detection function, and I have to pass the key file name, which is the uh, key for using the Vision API, and you will get it while creating the service account for the Vision API. And this part of the code I am setting the header values, since the backend part of the code is running in a separate instance. I have to allow the cross origin request. Then in this part of the code, I am handling the post request to the route detect image, and upload.single is the function used to get the image part. And if the file is found, then the this part of the program is executed, and if it's not found, then I am returning the invalid request. And after the file is found, I am converting it into the base64 format, and I am sending it to the client.text detection. This is the function used to detect text in images, and since it's an asynchronous function, after the text is found, then I am passing it to the result. And from since the response is in JSON format, I am choosing the required part of the entire JSON format, and I am passing back to the front end. Now in this part of the program, I am listening to the port which is given by the process.env.port environmental variable. That's all about the project. Thank you.